Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Leslie and today I have a really exciting announcement and unboxing. So I am actually part of the Not Too Shabby Fall Retreat that is coming in September. And so I'm going to unbox the entire kit. I'm actually one of the instructors on the very first day. And there is a lot of crafty goodness happening in 2 days, and it's just going to be so much fun. So you definitely want to be a part of it. So unboxing this kit, this is everything that you get. You get the lovely Golden Harvest pattern paper. You get the Golden Harvest stamps that are designed by Call Me Crafty Owl, which is actually one of the instructors on the second day. You get the matching stencils and the matching dies. I don't have them here with me, but they will be in part of your kit, all for those. And then you have the lovely Harvest Critters ephemera, the matching Golden Harvest enamel dots that are so sparkly. I love them. And then you also have the clear stamp that is also Christy's Everyday Greetings, designed by Christy Marcotte, who's also an instructor on the second day. So if you don't know what the Not Too Shabby Fall Retreat is, it is a 2-day retreat where there's going to be about 8 instructors, 4 on the first day and 4 on the second day. The first day is completely free to anyone who wants to sign up and join. You can get your ticket down below. The second day is a paid workshop where you will pay for your ticket and you will get access to those 4 instructors, and it's going to be so much fun, lots of crafty goodness, using this kit in so many different ways. I'm actually going to be making a greeting card box and an extra card for you to put into that box, but there is a lot of different fun things going on, and I'm flipping through these pages here kind of slowly for you. We got a lot of beautiful tone-on-tone papers, a lot of fall, of course. We got some beautiful leaves that match the clear stamp. We got some pumpkins, we got oranges, we got greens, we got browns. It's just so pretty. You get about 4 sheets of each pattern, and of course they're front and back. So lots of crafty goodness. So I am going to go ahead and pull out all the ephemera so you can kind of see all these adorable little critters. Oh, I am just so excited. One of the suggestions that I have actually been letting people know is that if you want to get a ticket down below and then you purchase your kit, I suggest you getting an extra pattern paper pad. Just click it as an add-on for your cart if you want to do every single instructor's class. We are using a lot of the paper, and just in case you want to follow exactly what the instructors are doing, then you will probably want another pad of paper, just so you have enough. Plus you can't really get enough of this beautiful paper in this kit, so definitely check that out down in the description box below. I love this ephemera, guys. These critters are just so cozy. I will say I think my favorite ones are the ones with the books and the hot chocolate or coffee, because that is what I personally do in the fall. Well, I do that all year long, but definitely in the fall. And then you just have some adorable different critters that are, raking leaves, they're picking up leaves, they're just posing with leaves. I mean, everything with leaves. If this doesn't scream fall, I don't know what does. I also love the little critter that has, it looks like her grocery bag, and then it's slowly losing its acorns there, so I feel a little bit bad for her. It's okay. But the little raccoon with their little apple there is just so cute. And I with my project that I am making, you will be using pattern paper, and you will be using the ephemera, and you will be using like Christy's Greetings and the enamel dots. I think the only thing I didn't really touch was the stamping leaves and stencils, just because another instructor is actually going to be making some pattern paper with that, and we wanted to make sure that we're giving you a variety of different things that you can create with your kit using a variety of different things in your kit. So definitely check out my links down below to get your ticket and get your bundle. And like I said, it is happening in September on the 18th and the 19th. All the information is down in the description box below and on the Not Too Shabby blog. So I hope to see you there, and I will see you in another video soon. Bye!